it appears there is no end to the sexist slurs and the misogyny that BJP MP Kangana Ranaut, an elected representative, has been subjected to lately. As the sickening remark that this latest one coming in from another Congress leader, a Himachal Mantri no less. The Congress minister Jagat Negi was addressing the State Assembly when he chose to launch a bizarre attack on Kangana Ranaut, even dragging in her mother. Now, the Himachal Mantri has been claiming that Kangana Ranaut did not visit the flood-affected areas where people needed help, but chose to visit much later. Why? Because according to the Mantri ji, Kangana Ranaut was worried that her makeup would get washed away by the rain and the people won't be able to recognize whether it is Kangana Ranaut or her mother. You have to actually listen in when it comes to the bizarre statement that he made, and that too inside the State Assembly.
जब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, समय से मैं पहुंची वहां पर, और वो बरसात में वैसे भी नहीं आना था उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेकअप जो है सारा खराब होना था। फिर लगना था ये कंगना है या कंगना की मां है, पता ही नहीं लगना था।
Now there is outrage over the Mantri's statement that has been made. Activists were demanding that the Congress sack the minister and issue at least a statement is concerned of what they believe on the statement that has been made by the Himachal Mantri.
Jagat Negi, a parliamentarian, discussing about floods in Himachal Pradesh, plight of victims, if there are services that have reached them or not, has the gall to talk and comment about makeup of Kangana, another elected representative, a woman. Now, why is it that these men think that this is so important, that you have to have sexist, misogynistic language, putting down some other politician? Shame on you. You must apologize, and I hope your party leader suspends you.
So let's in the meantime talk about how the BJP, who has been strongly condemning such remarks while asking the Congress party if they support such leaders in the statements that they make.
कांग्रेस पार्टी ने हिमाचल को आर्थिक संकट में लाने का काम किया है। वहां पर सैलरी नहीं दे पा रहे हैं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के एम्प्लॉयज की, पेंशनर्स की, परंतु उनकी प्राथमिकता क्या है? महिला विरोधी टिप्पणियां करना। जो टिप्पणी सदन के भीतर, विधानसभा के भीतर एक मंत्री ने की है, जिस प्रकार की टिप्पणी की है, मैं प्रियंका वाड्रा जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या यही है लड़की हूं लड़ सकती हूं? और देखिए ना, इस प्रकार की टिप्पणी को समर्थन कांग्रेस पार्टी देती है।
मैं ये मानता हूं कि जगत सिंह नेगी जी ने जिस प्रकार के शब्दों का प्रयोग किया है वो सरासर गलत हैं। किसी महिला के बारे में इस प्रकार के शब्दों को बोलना ये किसी अपराध से कम नहीं है। उन्हें इस प्रकार के शब्दों का प्रयोग नहीं करना चाहिए। जो ठीक नहीं होता उसको एक्सपंस किया जाता है। शायद किसी ने, हम उस समय सदन के बाहर होंगे इसलिए वो विषय शायद नहीं आया है, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है माननीय एलओपी साहब ने जरूर इस विषय को रखा होगा। अगर नहीं रखा होगा तो इसके ऊपर ध्यान देंगे।
Right, Pragya is with us right now. Pragya, now this is such kind of atrocious statements that have been made completely irrelevant, that too coming in for an elected woman representative when it comes to the main cause, and it was a very serious one, discussing floods in the assembly, that was completely lost.
You're absolutely right, Amita, and what is the sad part of it is that speaker didn't expunge it. You know, there is a political movement now, the opposition party, that is BJP in the state, is building that these should be expunged, and this is not acceptable. Plus, these are the ministers who are speaking on the floor of the assembly, and they know the laws as well. You cannot take name of any MP, any leader who is not present in the house and make comments. Especially this one, this is sexist, misogynist, and you know what makes them think that if someone does apply makeup, they are lesser public representative or less effective public representative than what they are. And you know, this comes from the fact that these are drawing room discussions that are quite acceptable within this patriarchal system, and the politics is dominated by it. And unless until these politicians, and in fact I would say the leaders of these parties, take stringent action and give out a strong message to the leaders, to you know, the post holders in the party, that this is unacceptable. Making any statement on women in a derogatory way, this is unacceptable. Unless they do it, these statements will come, you know, will keep on coming. And we have seen that in numerous incidents, and especially at a time, you know, when someone is speaking about rape, someone is speaking about safety of women, you talk about makeup of a public representative rather than saying that she is, you could have easily said that she is not doing the duty that she is meant for. You know, you don't have to go on a personal level to say, and she become a very easy target as well, because she
Right.
comes from an entertainment industry. But would any of the Congress person would try to do that with Ms. Jaya Bachchan? Would any one of them try to do it with Sonia Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi for that matter? So this is the yardsticks for making statement on women should be also the
Well,
same.
no apology
And
coming
also,
from the Mantri, no apology that has been coming, or a statement from the Congress leaders as well on what they make of such kind of a statement that has been made, and that too against a woman elected representative. Pragya, thank you very much for joining in. But in related